So first you need 3 color of paper. Black, white, and yellow. And then you fold them together. And then like this. And then you put them together. And then you draw a heart. And then you cut it over. Now that we have these cut, now we have to arrange it. And now you put glue on the middle. And put the yellow heart on here. And then with the yellow heart, you put glue on the middle, and then put the black heart. And then on the black heart, you put glue in the middle. And then you put the yellow heart. And now you put the wings. So you put glue here. So you put some glue here. And then you lift it up. And then you put it there. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Now we have to cut these shapes and then glue it on here. So you get one rectangle and you put glue, and then you glue the heart, and then you do the other one. And you glue the heart, and then you put glue here. Actually, you put glue, just use any white paint or color and first put a dot. And then you